Do you hear that?
It's silent.
Just for like the last 5 minutes. Do we really have to go outside for this?
No!
You do.
The fire alarm was going off for like 5 minutes. Now it just keeps going off randomly.
I'll just burn. I don't care.
We're just gonna sit here and wait for the place to burn down. Once we feel heat and smell smoke, we'll get out.
So if you never hear from us again,
I know, right?
yeah, this is our life.
Welcome to our life. Seriously.
I'm gonna sue this place. So, yo,